Niue's attendance at the Palm 5 in Hokkaido, Japan brought two companies to Niue last week proposing to install a distillation plant and solar plant to cater for the distillation plant with a predicted funding from the meeting of over $4 million. According to Premier Talangi, the Palm 5, which focused on climate change and the vulnerability of Pacific Island countries, was realized by funding agencies releasing billions of dollars to assist from the meeting in Japan.
I see that there is potential for us to create jobs as well as to set up a business that will utilize the water that will be produced by the desalination and exporting it.
And there's a Japanese company here or representatives from a company in Japan looking at some of the developments here on Niue.
They're here now, and we're in the process. We had a meeting early this morning, and we're expecting a conclusion of some kind, a memorandum of understanding between them and us by the end of the week before they go back.
Dr. Zaya Shida, director of Stella Environment Science Corporation, said his company's interest is to propose to the Niue government on what can develop safe drinking water for the island using minimum pollution energy to create. Today, we spoke to the two representatives and interpreter Taichi Fox about their visit to the island.
The Niue has a lot of underground water, fresh water. So probably what his impression is that probably using fresh water into much cleaner water for safe for drinking is much better for Niue. That's his impression once after he came to on the island.
In regards to what you would like to do for Niue, will it be a solar farm or will it be the same as the European Union?
使ってやることは、やる手段を取ればですね、非常にいいんじゃないかと思っておるんだと。
To make a very clean water safe for drinking is very energy consuming. But however, he doesn't want to use the diesel power because it will pollute the air. So the solar power is much better option for very clean energy on the island and for the world.
Dr. Shida, an engineer from Kyowa Kiren Industry, Yoshihito Araki, are scoping the possibilities of such a plant on the island. They will leave on Friday with expectations that a proposal will be submitted to the Pacific Island Forum within a month.